imagine opening WhatsApp and realizing that your favorite AI chatbot, whether it's ChatGPT, Gemini, or any other, is suddenly gone? That's exactly what's coming. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. Starting on January 15, 2026, Meta will ban all third-party AI assistants from its massive messaging platform, making Meta AI the only chatbot allowed inside WhatsApp. With over 3 billion users, WhatsApp is a goldmine for AI interaction, and Meta is drawing a clear line in the sand. By shutting out competitors, the tech giant ensures users will rely solely on Meta AI across WhatsApp, Instagram, and Messenger. It's a power move that's both about control and, according to Meta, infrastructure, claiming third-party bots strain the platform with heavy message traffic. Yet, businesses using AI for customer service won't be affected. This is a major shift because now, if you want to chat with ChatGPT, you'll need to leave WhatsApp and use a standalone app or website. Meta isn't the only one doing this, as Google, Apple, and Amazon are all embedding their own AI assistants deeply into their ecosystems. But WhatsApp's scale and lack of opt-out makes this more impactful. But why does Meta care so much? Every chat with Meta AI fuels its data machine, sharpening app targeting and personalized recommendations. And now, third-party apps are at loss of opportunities. Meta's heading for a future where it's one app, one assistant, leaving users with fewer choices and less competition. And for Meta, it could mean a data goldmine. What do you think about this shift? Drop your thoughts in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any update.